Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still thinking that this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is going to go up and either make a wave C of an expanding flat, which would most likely bring it up above these highs, probably to the 178 or the 161% Fibonacci extension, or possibly this really is a running flat, which would bring it to one of these lower extension levels, which would make a lower high compared to these. Either way, I don't think it's that important to know, because either way it should lead to a pretty nice uptrend. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I definitely still think this is a running flat wave 2, which would make this right here a wave 1. That would also make this right here most likely a big wave 2. And I still think this is very likely to go up and make a wave 3, 4, 5 at a very expanding flat, or a 3, 4, 5 of that running flat. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is 5 waves up, wave 1. I still think this is a big ABC of 2. Nice 61% fib bounce after making a nice 1, 2, 3 waves down. I personally think we're in an uptrend, and most likely it's not even close to being over. There's a wave 1 there. I think there's a wave 2 here. I think we're in a wave 3. Most wave 1s of an uptrend actually end around the high of the wave B, so I wouldn't be surprised if this actually stretched out quite a bit further to make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, and that would just be the wave 1 of the wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So bringing it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looked like it was trying to make an ABC here. It looked like this was an A. It looked like this was a B. It really looked like it needed to go down and make a wave C before it actually ended up continuing the uptrend, which I still think is a very likely possibility. But I also know that the trend is up, and we are most likely in a wave 3, which means it may not go down to a fib level like it looks like it should. It may just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, which is why I'm definitely looking for longs only on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it really looks like a downtrend. It still looks like a downtrend for an A. It still looks to me like this is 3 waves up for like a B. So if this does make an engulfing down, does make a breaker structure, it probably will end up going down to at least a 38 or to 50% before it actually does continue the uptrend. Now for me, I am definitely a trend trader, which means I am not even thinking about or even trying to short this thing, especially in a wave 3 trend, because just like what's going on now, little 1, 2, 3 down, this is probably more likely to just continue to keep on going up. It does definitely look like it needs to go down and make a proper wave C before it continues up, but if we really are in a wave 3 on the higher time frames, it could easily just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and it could easily just keep on trending up, which is why I am definitely looking for longs only, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trades that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.